Hey friends! Today I'm bringing you a short video on the parameter settings of our UTC-121P temperature controller. I'll quickly show you wiring connections, sensor configuration, output modes, control action, PID, on-off, TP, setpoint limits, offset, and finally, auto-tuning. Let's start. For wiring, here's what we've done. Terminal 1 and 2, phase, line, and neutral supply. Terminal 5 and 6, SSR output. Terminal 8, 9, 10, relay output. Terminal 18, 19, TC+, sensor input. For this demo, we have connected a PT100 sensor. The red PT100 wire is connected to TC+. The two white wires are connected to terminals 18 and 19. You can also connect J-type or K-type thermocouples in the same terminals. LED wiring. From line, I've taken one loop into the common terminal. And from the no terminal, the phase wire goes to an LED. LED's neutral wire is connected directly to terminal 2. Whenever the relay turns on, the LED will glow. Now let's power on the controller. On startup, you may see the display showing J-type as the default sensor. To enter settings, press and hold the set key. When pass appears, release it. The password is 73. Press set again to continue. The first option is input type. We'll change this from J-type to PT100. If you want a decimal point reading, select PTD. Press set. Next is output type. You can select both, relay, SSR. We'll keep it on both for now. Press set. Next is mode. Heating, cooling. We'll keep it on heating for this demonstration. Press set. Here you can choose PID control for accurate and stable temperature control. On-off control for simple applications like ovens, heaters. TP, time proportional, for SSR control timing. Today we'll start with on-off mode. In on-off mode, once the temperature reaches the set point, the relay turns off. And when the temperature falls by the hysteresis value, the relay turns on again. Press set. Here you can set the lower set point limit. Example: if you set SLL is equal to 0, you cannot set any set point below 0 degrees Celsius. Press set. Next, we have the higher limit, SHL, the maximum set point the user can enter. Press set. Here is the offset value. If you want to manually adjust or calibrate the displayed temperature, you can add or subtract a value here. If not required, keep it at 0. Press enter to exit. To change the set point, press set once. The set point will blink. Use the up-down arrow keys to change values. Press enter to save. Example: I have changed my set point to 0 degrees Celsius and it is now saved. If you want to use PID control, first change control action to PID. Then, to view or edit PID values, press and hold set. Enter password 37. You'll now see PB, proportional band, default ~20, IT, integral time, default ~300, DT, derivative time, default ~75, cycle time, default ~15 seconds, MR, manual reset, default ~0. After adjusting, press enter. To perform auto-tuning, follow this method. Bring the system to room temperature. Set the required set point, example, 50 degrees Celsius. Press and hold the UP arrow key for 3 seconds. The display will show tune. This means auto-tuning has started. Auto-tuning will run for 1.5 cycles, during which your temperature will rise above the set point once, fall once, and then stabilize. Once tuning completes, the tune message disappears and the controller automatically updates its PID values. You don't need to manually edit PID after that. Thank you for watching.